guys, so today we're learning about special products of polynomials. I can follow the special patterns that are given to me up here. I can follow the special patterns that are given to me up here. Or I could just multiply. So whenever I see, guys, whenever I see the little tiny exponent of 2, it means there's 2 of this. So what I like to do is I like to go and rewrite it. That's an ugly parenthesis. I'm sorry. So then I'm going to multiply these like normal. Which method do you want me to use? Box? Okay. Okay. So I have the same thing on the top and on the side because it's squared, so it's 2 of the same. What goes in my first box? What is 9x squared? What goes in my second box? What goes here? Just 12x. And then here? 16. Okay, so what do I want to do next? Combine like terms. So I have this 9x squared. Then I have the two 12x's. 24x. And then the 16 at the end. So questions here. So this one, because it's a special product, Luis, Annabelle. Because it's a special product, notice the first number is the term squared. The last number is the second term squared, but there's a number in the middle. I don't just square both pieces of the binomial. I have to actually do one of the 3 methods we talked about to get my answer. Questions on number 1. Okay, so on number 2, what's the first step I want to do here? I want to rewrite this. So then what method do you want me to use? Okay, box again. So I'm going to do find it 5x and negative 2y. What goes in my first box? 25x squared. What goes in second box? Negative 10xy. Since I can't do anything and they're different letters, I write them in alphabetical order. So x comes first in the alphabet. What goes in this box? And then in this last box? Squared. Okay, so notice on this one, and on the last one, these two, the 2 diagonal ones, are always the same number. So when I go to write my answer, I combine like terms. Questions on number 2? on to number 3. What is different about number 3? One's positive and one's negative. Other than that, they're exactly the same. So I'm going to write one on the top, and then one on the side. I have to make sure one of them is... Oh, this is on the screen. Yeah. So what do I get in my first square? Second. Just regular t. Over here. Negative 5 times 5. What's 5 times 5? Oh. Luis, be quiet. Okay, so then I want to go combine like terms like normal. I have t squared. What do I have in the middle? I add them. 0. So, yeah, they cancel out. So do I have to write them? No. Then I have negative 25. Questions on number 3? Yeah. Okay. Number 4, what do I want to start off by doing? I want to start off by writing it. It goes in my first box. Yeah. What goes in the first box?
The first box, 3x.
No, 9 times 9? I mean, 3 times 3? 9x squared. 3x times y? Guys, you have to be quiet. I'm doing notes. You shouldn't be talking.
Is it 3xy?
Negative 3xy. And over here.
Y times y?
Negative y squared. y.
Oh my god.
Okay, so in my first term.
Is 9x.
So I don't write that. So what do you notice with... Dang it, why isn't this writing? What do you notice with these ones? Yeah, so the middle terms cancel out?
Yeah.
So whenever they have opposite signs, the middle terms should cancel out. Questions here? Okay. Take a few minutes to work on the 4 on the back.